Hi everybody. Well, today's kind of a big day because I'm going to put the metal back in to the oak slab, hopefully for the last time. Alright, so I have stained the oak slab and I've put on this side 5 coats of flat varnish, just to protect it a little bit more, and it unifies the color of the stain a little bit more, even though it's totally transparent, the varnish. And I've put 5 coats of another type of varnish on the metal. So I put 2 on the back and 5 on the front for the metal. So let's hope for the best. So it's in. Now I'm going to turn it over and put the bolts on, the nuts on rather. And let's hope this is going to work out nice and smooth. That would be just great. Well, now he's in there real good. Alright, so it's sitting in there good. I'll show it to you one more time. Man, this thing is heavy. So, metal is sitting there pretty nice. I think you can see that. I say think because I don't have that screen that goes on the GoPro where I can see myself as I'm filming. Okay, so what's next is I gotta make the plugs for these holes. Alright, so let's just hope things get a little simpler. I swear Would be nice. Would be nice. Okay, so I've got a special bit here that cuts out the plugs. I need 10. Now this is oak, although it's not the same wood. The thing is, I've got, a couple of pieces of the same wood, but I really like it, and I don't want to mess it up, and I might use it for something else. So instead of like routering out the pieces from that, I think I'll just do it from this other piece of oak I got. Now ordinarily the best way to do this is not to go all the way through, and then you use a saw to like cut through that very last part, and then they all fall out real nice. I'm not sure if, I don't have a table saw. I might give it a shot and try it with my jigsaw, although it looks like all the blades I've got are from metal, so I'm not sure how well that would work. Anyway, I'll just get started and see how this goes. Alright, so they're in. Next step is, I'll wait a day, maybe a day at the latest. I could try it later on today, but I don't think I will. I got other things I gotta do. So the next step for the next video, I'm going to sand this side again, sand all of these plugs down, make them nice and flush. Once everything looks good, then I can put the stain on this side. Then 5 coats of varnish, clear flat varnish, and then after that drill the holes in the bottom and put it on the stand. So I guess there will be 2 more videos, or maybe I'll do just 1 more and I'll have the next 2 parts in the same one. Alright everybody, well that's all for today. Take care, bye.